Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a surprise for you. Today we're opening up a PC replacement for my son Bryce. It's from Cyberpowerpc.com. Make sure to read the description of the video. I'll leave all the information, stats, price, everything down below. For just a little bit more money than what it would cost you to build it yourself, you can have a really great PC from them with a factory warranty. You just can't beat the customer service either. Stick around, it's happening right now.
I hope this shit don't make me famous. I want to be famous. I want people to like me for who I am.
Okay, today we're opening up a computer, a new PC from Cyberpowerpc. Bryce gets a new upgraded computer.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just move on.
Samsung 860 Pro Series SSD, nice and fast. A 1 terabyte hard drive, 3.5, 7200 RPM. 16 gigabyte Intel Optane memory accelerator, M.2 PCIe. It's a Cooler Master Liquid Cool.
This is just fun.
Alright. Comes with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060, 6 gigabyte. Windows 10 Home Edition. Onboard 7.1 surround sound. Corsair 4 gigabyte DDR4 3000 Vengeance RAM. Alright, let's open it up.
It's in the box!
Yeah, I'm back to anything crap.
What would you say you do here?
Here's what the front looks like. Here's the side glass.
Come here.
There we go. And now a couple minutes later, after removing all the packaging from the inside of the case, and we should be just about ready right now. Okay, inside the new system from Cyberpower, GTX 1060. Everything's hidden and tucked away, very nice. Cord management, beautiful. RGB, Corsair Vengeance RAM. Okay, let's get it hooked up and running.
That was legitness. Yeah.
Here's what it looks like when it's up and running. So if you're looking to build your own system, make sure to check out cyberpowerpc.com. Go on their configurator, build the right system for you, and make sure to catch a good sale. Thanks so much. Yeah, definitely a nice setup.
Yep.
Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.